More training is on the way next week for Ohio's Children's Services caseworkers. The Department of Children and Youth confirmed this to 10 TV after we pressed them for answers following the deaths of 5 children in Franklin County. Thank you for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Yolanda Harris. 10 Investigates reporter Rochelle Aline also pushed FCCS for answers in connection to those deaths last week. And today she took her questions even higher up.
It's heartbreaking.
When it comes to children's services in our state, Representative Dontavius Jarrells says something's got to change. 5 Franklin County kids died in the span of 15 months. All of them had some contact with children's services before their deaths.
It's an opportunity for us to really have a hard conversation around our system of care.
It's a conversation 10 Investigates took directly to Franklin County Children's Services last week.
But at what point is a removal initiated?
So we don't have the unilateral authority to remove a child. We have to do so with the help of either law enforcement or juvenile court.
Do you mind breaking down what that looks like, though?
Each case is going to be very different. I mean, I think that's the challenge, is that each situation is going to be very different.
And though each situation is different, Representative Jarrells says his office is putting pen to paper to make removals easier.
At a state level, when we talk about policies, or something that can be done to change and adjust those policies so that they can do their job a bit better?
We have a youth ombudsman office in practice now, but there's not enough teeth to the office itself to go in if there is actual evidence of child abuse, that they can go in, remove the child, do an investigation, and see exactly what's going on in that home.
He says the legislation he's working on would also expand who is a mandatory reporter of child abuse, and he hopes to address gaps for where kids are placed if they're removed from the home.
I don't want to see a child removed from a home that was abusive and then only find themselves in the criminal justice system because we lost them, right?
Now, the representative says he is hoping to put out that legislation sometime this session.